Okay, I'm going to show you a method that if you use it, you can see the result of your code right away. If you use cancel and log, a button appears here. If you push it, result of a code appear here. For example, let me start it. We have, for example, we have a variable name array1, and in this array we have, for example, okay, let's banana, and also we have an apple. Okay, I cannot write. And also we can we have banana, apple, and we have, of course, we're going to have an orange here. Nice. Now, okay, now we want to turn it into a string. We use another variable here, name of the variable array2, and we are going to use a method, and the method is array. We used array one that we had right there, and we make it into a string, to string, and parentheses. Okay, if we want to see the result of this code, we have to use console.log, and this console.log, we put array2 here in the parameter of, okay, array2. Okay, if I want to see the result, I just use my extension. Okay, this is the result of my code. So if you want to install this extension, you go to your extension, or just right here. Okay, you type code runner, this one, so by John Hahn. I have already installed it. You can install it. If you install it, a button appears here, and you should use console.log, and after that save your code, push this button, the result of your code appears here in the VS Code. Very simple. Thank you for your consideration, and bye for now.